First they made our Bible Christian, and now they're using this deception to take our children and make them Christian.
May I have this Shabbat dance?
I was like 4, Dad.
I don't talk to my brother. I haven't talked to him in years.
You should talk to your brother, Sidney. He's your brother.
We have someone coming in to talk about those things you believe. His name is Yossi Cohen.
Yeah, I've heard him. Twice.
He's good. He's very entertaining.
Regular Seinfeld.
Dad, where are you? It's 4 o'clock.
Today, our hearts go out with great compassion for Rivka.
We would be so honored if you would have your bat mitzvah with us at B'nai Israel.
How old did you say you were?
I didn't say.
And?
I'm 12. Almost 13.
Oh, you're studying for your bat mitzvah then.
What do you mean? It goes perfectly with a certain necklace, if you know what I mean.
Will you please? And anyway, one look at that shirt and he'll climb all the way up Masada just to get away from me. I'll take my Bible now. Unless you want to borrow it.
No, that's okay. I read parts of the New Testament in college. Thanks anyway.
You think you know what's in the New Covenant just because you read a few verses in college?
And by the way, she did proselytize my son.
Get off my niece's case, Blavitz.
Please, let's be reasonable. The last thing this child needs right now is this kind of rejection and disappointment.
But the Lord was not in the wind. And after the wind, an earthquake. But the Lord was not in the earthquake. And after the earthquake, a fire. But the Lord was not in the fire. And after the fire, a still small voice. The sound of the Spirit. V'naten lanu et Torato, Baruch atah Adonai, noten haTorah.